Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and I thank the honourable member for the question. Mr. Speaker, sir, the lack of skilled workers due to labour migration, both to Australia and New Zealand, continues to be a critical challenge for our economy, our industries, and the sustainability of essential services. This rose steeply post-COVID due to both countries relaxing their rules because of the shortage that they are facing. Mr. Speaker, sir, Fiji, like many other Pacific Island countries, is experiencing significant outward labor mobility. It is important to note that we cannot stop workers from seeking overseas employment opportunities, as it is their right to do so. The government fully recognizes that labor mobility provides families with better income and contributes to the national remittances. However, this movement also creates immediate skills gaps across key sectors such as construction, engineering, healthcare, transportation, hospitality, and the list goes on. To respond to these challenges, the coalition government has acted decisively with various initiatives designed not only to fill the immediate gaps, but to strengthen Fiji's long-term skills development. Mr. Speaker, sir, the government has already implemented several key programs that directly expand our national capacity for skills development. And these include the first one, the scholarship through the Tertiary Scholarship Service with a strong focus on priority areas experiencing critical shortages. Mr. Speaker, sir, awards for the Tibet courses have been increased substantially. As alluded to by the Honourable Minister for Education yesterday, Mr. Speaker, sir, the coalition government has converted the loans into scholarships and has forgiven all the existing loans that people had. Number two, Mr. Speaker, sir, we have strengthened and incentivized apprenticeship scheme, enabling young Fijians to gain practical industry-based skills while earning at the same time. And we are topping up their wages by $2 to make it $5 an hour. These workers, once they have completed their apprenticeship, will be bonded to serve the country for an equal number of years. Mr. Speaker, sir, vocational centers and technical colleges, there is a history to it, sir. And at the expense of repeating, I wish to inform the House, as well as those who are listening and watching from outside, that after 2014-15, sometime then, the then government opened up several actually 28 technical colleges in the country. And in doing so, while doing so, they closed all those technical vocational centers that were attached to the secondary schools at that point in time. So that was the pathway that was being followed for Tibet training. After a few years, the technical colleges were suddenly closed at a month's notice. And then there was a void. There was nothing left for several years in terms of technical vocational training. So once we came in, we have reopened the Tibet centers attached to the secondary schools, and I've been told by the Honourable Minister for Education that the numbers have also been increased now. The technical colleges, several of them have been reopened, and Pacific Polytech is actively involved in opening them up and providing the necessary training. Just a very brief one on Pacific Polytech, Honourable Speaker, sir. I just received some details on Pacific Polytech because there are a lot of questions being asked about this institution. From October last year to now, Polytech has graduated 2,086 students with micro qualifications. Over 98% of these are indigenous youth who had been left out of the mainstream. In Nambua alone, 1,017 students were trained. These youth come from areas like Rewanga, Batuanga, Nambua, Kinoya, and the surrounding areas. In Lemi, where Polytech has set up a center, already 31 students from Gawia, Kalekana, Walinidina, etc., have received micro qualifications. A total of 53 students from the same area have enrolled for a course to start in early December at Gawia. Throughout Fiji, micro qualification programs are held for the youth who have no skills. This is real upskilling of the youth, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, during 2025, over 2,800 students have enrolled in national qualifications. National qualifications are those qualifications which have been developed by the Higher Education Commission in Fiji. These are trade skills in sought-after areas like carpentry, plumbing, electrical, automotive trades, hospitality, etc. These are what Fiji needs, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, we provide ongoing support to institutions such as National Training and Productivity Center, Pacific Polytech, Montport Boys Town, Center for Appropriate Technology and Development, that is CITD in Nandawe, Nabuso Agriculture School, and Technical College, and all these institutions play a major role in producing highly skilled, job-ready workers. Mr. Speaker, sir, the extension of the retirement age to 60 and the re-engagement of retirees so that to the relevant fields where there is a need in terms of skill shortage is also, and that allows them to share experiences and institutional knowledge. Mr. Speaker, sir, as alluded to by the Honorable Prime Minister in his ministerial statement this morning, the recent signing of the MOA with the government of Japan. With this signing, Fiji will benefit from advanced skills training opportunities and the transfer of Japanese workplace culture and productivity practices. The Japanese are well known for their soft skills, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, while expanding training opportunities is essential, we must also address the reasons why people leave our shores. These workers do not always leave for higher pay. Many leave because they feel undervalued, lack of opportunities for career progression, unsupported, unfairly treated, due to non-compliance with the minimum terms and conditions of employment by employers. Mr. Speaker, sir, through workplace inspections alone conducted by the ministry in the last 5 years, we have recovered something like $6 million plus dollars in unpaid wages and paid out to the affected workers. Mr. Speaker, sir, I also wish to reiterate that this is not only government's responsibility. I call on the employers, both in the public and private sectors, to work and improve their retention strategies, leadership culture, and succession planning. This must be embedded in organizational workplace strategies, ensuring continuity. Mr. Speaker, sir, the coalition government remains committed to ensuring that Fiji has a strong and sustainable labor force, while we respect the right of our workers to take up overseas employment opportunities. We are equally focused on strengthening our local workforce, protecting worker welfare, and supporting employers to build workplaces where people want to stay and work. Mr. Speaker, sir, before I take my seat. I stand in solidarity with the Thursdays in Black movement against gender-based violence. Mr. Speaker, sir, those men who hit women are the worst cowards, let me say. Yes. Mr. Speaker, sir, there are clear policies and guidelines at workplaces to ensure the workplace harassment or sexual harassment is not committed. Mr. Speaker, sir, we are strengthening the laws to make sure, the labor laws, to make sure that sexual harassment at workplaces is minimized or eradicated. And these laws are going to be effective once our ERA has been passed. Mr. Speaker, sir, I urge all those women and girls who are in any way harassed or victims of such horrendous acts to report to the relevant authorities and do not shy away, because it is very, very important that such perpetrators are taken to task. Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank you for the opportunity.